This is how you make the best dynamite chicken sandwich. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making dynamite chicken sandwich. This chicken burger is one of my favorites. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Let's start with our spices. With a smoked paprika, a good touch of cayenne pepper. It was some of this chicken seasoning, white pepper, some of the freshly cracked black pepper as well, MSG, and finally I'm gonna throw in the salt.
Perfect.
For our chicken dynamite burger, I'm using breast that was sliced in the middle. Make sure to pound them down to even out the shape. Now apply the seasoning all over the chicken and make sure to give it a tap. It's always best to remove the chicken from the fridge at least 20 minutes before you start cooking. Honestly, this is one of the best chicken dynamite sandwich that you guys gonna try. Alright, so that looks great, just set aside for now. For our dredging with a plain flour, with a good touch of salt, and finally a good touch of our mixed spices. Use around 2-3 tablespoons, depending on your liking. A really good mix of that and set aside for now. For the dynamite sauce and with the mayonnaise, in that we're gonna throw in the sweet chili. Going with some of the sriracha, it's gonna add a bit of the kick. And with the soy sauce, it's gonna add that umami flavor. A light touch of the cayenne pepper. Now I also like to throw in some of this peri-peri sauce just for more flavor. And finally a touch of fresh lemon. If you don't have sweet chili, you could use a bit of the ketchup, sugar, chili sauce, light pinch of salt. Now a really good mix of that. Make sure everything comes together very well, alright?
Oh, you can!
Amazing color, that's exactly what we're looking for. Now have a little taste and adjust anything if you need to. That's perfect. As we're making this for our chicken burgers, you don't want the consistency to be too thick, alright? Our mouth-watering dynamite sauce, done. Here I've got buttermilk, seasoned with some black pepper and salt. Alright, so this is how we're gonna coat the chicken. First, our fillets will go into the flour. Get a nice coat of that. Make sure to cover all sides. Shake off the excess flour, and this goes into the buttermilk. Get a nice coat of that. Shake off the excess again. And now this goes back into the flour. Now get a nice coat of that flour. Press onto the flour. Shake off the excess. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now this goes straight into the hot oil. Just checking the oil temperature, needs to be around 165 Celsius. You should always use a meat thermometer for the best results possible. Alright, with your chicken, we're gonna let this cook for around 7 to 8 minutes until the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius or 165 Fahrenheit. We're looking for a nice golden brown color. The chicken should get nice and crispy. Another minute to go. The chicken is almost done. Looks so delicious. Look at that. Nice and crispy, exactly what we're looking for. One of the best chicken dynamite sandwich that you guys gonna try. Alright, let's remove this now. Make sure to drain off the excess oil and remove the chicken onto a kitchen paper. I'm gonna serve our chicken dynamite burger with some of this cabbage, cucumber, pickled gherkins and spring onion greens. Alright, let's plate up our dynamite chicken burger. Some of our crispy cabbage, cucumber, spring onion greens. Now dip the chicken into the dynamite sauce. Now that goes onto our bun. I like a bit more cabbage cucumber onto that. And finally I top off the bun with more sauce. Oh, it looks so delicious. One of the best chicken dynamite burger that you guys gonna try. Our mouth-watering dynamite chicken sandwich done.
Perfect.
Alright, let's try our amazing dynamite chicken burger. Bismillah. Wow, that is so delicious. Has a really nice crisp to it. It is so tasty. Look at that. A perfect bite. Bismillah. Wow, that is so flavorful. The sauce is just perfect. It has a really nice kick to it, a bit sweet, a bit spicy, rich umami flavor. Like I said before, one of the best dynamite chicken burger that you guys gonna try. I really hope you guys will enjoy this chicken sandwich with your family and friends. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.